Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing well and fine. I'm Lohit Jindal, founder and director at Cortex Classes. So guys, as I said in the previous year IUCAM pre-RMO series, I'll be posting a video on Stewart's theorem because many students might not know about this theorem. एक question में जरूरत पड़ रही थी. So I'll be, telling you the proof and what is Stewart's theorem, and I'll be giving you its proof. Okay, so that you know how to apply it in that question. All right, so let me show you guys how to apply this, not how to apply it, what is the proof of this theorem, right? What is the theorem? So guys, the Stewart's theorem states, here is the statement guys, कि let ABC be a triangle. ABC आपका एक general triangle है, and let's say D is a point on the side BC such that आपको BD and DC length are provided, which in this case are M and N, right? See, so that you know DB and DC. So basically जो BC साइड है उसके ऊपर एक पॉइंट जो D है, यू नो इन व्हाट रेशियो, और यू कैन से व्हाट आर द डिस्टेंसेस जो हैं BD और DC के, आपको पता है, ABC के साइड्स, ट्राइंगल के साइड्स भी पता है, राइट? एंड नाउ D इज द लेंथ ऑफ AD. Okay, D is the length of AD. So we can find the length of D, or you can say we can create a relation among ABC, M, N and D. Okay, and this is the relation, right? You can see here, just a second. So this is our relation that we need to prove, and this is the statement that Stewart's theorem states कि b square m, that is the square of the side AB into this side. देखो कैसे हो रहा है, b square into m plus c square into n is equal to a times, that is the side BC times d square AD का square plus m into n. इन दोनों का product हो जा रहा है, right? This is how it is stated. Okay, now let us prove this theorem. Very interesting way to prove. Let us start how to prove this. Okay, let me provide you with the proof. Okay, so you'll be able to understand it better with the proof. So guys, what is the construction that we have done in this question? I've already drawn this figure right here. So ABC triangle था, आपने AD को produce किया, and you draw the circle, circumcircle आपने draw कर रखा है ABC का, and then you produced AD to a point P, and then we join BP and PC and PD. That's it. Just that is the construction, right? So what do we do now? So guys, can we say that these two triangles are similar? These opposite triangles are similar. Why? Angle by vertically opposite angles are equal, right? And you can say this angle is equal to this angle, right? Angles in the same segment. The two angles are subtended by the chord PC, or the arc PC subtends these two angles जो मैंने mark किए हैं. Angle PBC and angle PAC are equal, right? So guys, in the two triangles, can I say that triangle PDB is similar to triangle CDA, triangle CDA, right? By AA criteria, दो angles same है. So according to this, what I can say is, हम क्या बोल सकते हैं then? देखो guys, in the lower triangle, if I select the side PB or BP, okay, BP upon corresponding length will be, if I'm picking BP, that is AC, so that is B, उसके corresponding side आ जाएगी B, right? That is equal to, if I pick M, BD length basically, अगर मैं M pick करता हूँ इस side triangle से, so in that triangle it will be AD, right? So that is D. So guys, from this thing we get BP is equal to M times B upon D. Now guys, very much similarly, you can do the same thing in the triangle. ये वाला triangle और ये वाला triangle भी आप similar कर सकते हैं, similar way, exactly similar way, है ना? So I can write triangle CPD, yeah, CDP is similar to triangle, I'm sorry, CDP जो बनेगा, okay, I'll mark the angles here. So this angle is equal to vertically opposite, and this angle is equal to this angle, right? Angle subtended by the same chord, you can say same method बिल्कुल guys. So CDP, if you are writing CDP, then in that triangle it should be ADB, right? According to the nomenclature, it should be ADB. So guys, again, if you write CP, अपॉन, सो CP के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग साइड क्या आएगी, वर्टिकल ऑपोजिट के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग C, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू, इफ यू पिक द साइड N, CD आप पिक करते हो, ओके, अपॉन D आ जाएगा आगे. N is the side with the two angles and that will be D. So guys, this will give you CP is equal to CN upon D. Right? So guys, itna relation हमारे पास आ गया. Now, guys, I'll remove the drawings from this. Okay. All right. So that the diagram looks clearer. Okay, just a second. Like this. That's it. Now, guys, since we can apply power of a point for point D, we know, right, कि जो point पे intersect होता है, the product of the lengths is equal. Meaning, okay, power of a point से हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, from power of a point we can say AD into DP should be equal to BD into DC. Right? What will this help us with? Guys, यहाँ से हमें DP की लेंथ पता लग जाएगी, और PD you can say we can get DP, or I will write it PD. Okay. So what is the length of PD now, guys? What is BD into DC? That is M into N, or we can write it as Mn upon AD. कितना है guys? AD is D. So we got the length of PD as well. Now why we have done so these things, guys? BP, PD, PC, ये तीनों लेंस क्यों निकाली हैं? ये नहीं पता थी हमें. अननोन लेंस हमने सब निकाल ली in the terms of A, B, D, C, M, N, everything, right? Now why I have done this is, now I'll be able to apply Ptolemy's theorem, right? Now I'll be applying Ptolemy's theorem to create a relation among these lines. Now what does Ptolemy's theorem state? That for a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the product of the opposite sides is equal to the product of their diagonals, right? That is Ptolemy's theorem. I'll write here. So AB into CP plus AB into CP कर दिया, plus AC into BP will be equal to AP into BC. Right? The product of the diagonals के equal होता है, right? Okay, write it. BC into AP. Right? Now let us just put in the values of all the variables. Guys, AB कितना है? That is C into CP हमने यहाँ पे find कर लिया, that is into CN upon D, right? Plus what is AC? AC is B into what is BP now? BP की वैल्यू हम गाइस जो फाइंड की थी वहां से पुट कर देते हैं, दैट इज M into B upon D is equal to, now what is BC? BC is A, right? That length is A directly. And what is AP? Guys, AP is how much? AD plus DP. AD कितना है? That is D plus what is the length of DP? That also we have found as Mn by D. So that's it, guys. Multiply the whole equation by D, right? D को LCM लेके remove कर देते हैं, और you can say multiply the whole equation by D. We will get C square N plus B square M equal to A times. Let us multiply D inside the bracket. So we'll get D square plus Mn. D will cancel for the second part, right? So D square plus Mn आ जाएगा. So that's the Stewart's theorem's proof, right? So this is how it is done, guys. We are using the multiple things, that is similarity of the triangles, power of a point, and then finally we applied Ptolemy's theorem to get this form. And you can remember this form by doing like this, guys. ठीक है, थोड़ा like just a way to remember it. I'll just tell you. So guys, if you have a triangle ABC, then you are doing the square of these sides. तो पहली बात तो guys जो CVN है AD या फिर D जिस लाइन के ऊपर है, the two sides with the other two sides we have to select. So C square into the side of opposite division, right? C square into N plus B square into M these two squares, b square into m plus c square into n अगर आपने कर दिया, that will be equal to the product of the opposite third side that is left, जिसको divide कर रहे हो आप a bc को, like that is a in this case, into the product the square of the side, जो AD side है उसका square, CBN का square AD square plus the product of the two divisions m into n. So like this you can remember it. Okay, so we were using this question, right guys? This theorem was used. Let me check, just let me check guys. Okay, I don't remember exactly the question number, I'll just check. So yes guys, I've checked. So this theorem was used guys in the exam of IOQM 2000. I'll tell you, in the question of IOQM, the question was solved using this theorem in IOQM 2020, question number 7. So you can have a look at the solution of IOQM 2020 question number 7, how it was used in that question, so that at least उसमें भी guys मैंने बोला था कि that I'll post the video about Stewart's theorem so that you know at least क्या theorem है और how we are using it in that particular question. Okay, so I hope guys आप सबको समझ में आया Stewart's theorem का proof. Okay, I hope this video help you in some way. So it will be very great if you could recommend your friends and relatives about this channel so that they can also benefit from the, if they are preparing for IOQM, of course ऐसे ही नहीं कि किसी को भी बोलने लग गए हो, right? Of course if somebody is preparing for IOQM, please let them know about our channel so that we get more motivated to come out with more such videos. All right, so that's it from my end guys. Thank you for remaining with me till the end. Okay, all right guys, thank you, bye bye, take care.